Model 2016 Vauxhall TRAFIC Vivaro PRIMASTAR with roof rack 2700 1.6 CDTI 90 L1H1 spares OR repairs trader margin grin low miles unheard of. Body white panel van. Mileage 54,201. MOT the 13th of September 2024. Engine 1598 cc 1.690 pse 5A. Transmission 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: runs perfect, turbo needs replacing, very easy and simple fix, open mouth smile. Engine sounds completely fine. Gearbox and clutch are fine. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: 2 former keepers, part service